Aloha, it's Kyron here. I'm Tawny's brother, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Lau Lau. Lau Lau is a Hawaiian dish wrapped in luau leaves that has pork, butterfish, and fat that will melt in your mouth. I'll be showing you how to cook it in two different ways. You'll need the following ingredients. If you don't have tea leaves, use foil. If you don't have luau leaves, use collard greens or spinach. First, if you get tea leaves in the backyard, cut it from the stem. Then wash the tea leaves. Prep the tea leaf by partially cutting the rib about a fourth from the top. Then with your hand behind the leaf, push towards the rib while sliding down to the stem. When you reach the bottom of the rib, rip off the rest towards the stem. When the tea leaves are finished, prep the luau or kalo leaves by washing it. Then cut off the stem with scissors. You can save the stems to add to the lau lau if you choose to also take the time to prep it. Cut up the pork into large cube sizes. Cut the butterfish into smaller pieces. For the kalo stem, slice off a part of the skin and peel the rest off in strips. Sprinkle in a small amount of Hawaiian salt in between each luau leaf. Stack up 3 to 4 luau leaves. With your hand cupped behind the luau leaves, add in the pork butt, pork belly, fish, and stem. Then tightly wrap up the lau lau. Place 2 leaves to form a cross and place the lau lau into the center with the opening facing down. Then wrap the tea leaves by bringing both sides to the middle. And with the stem, wrap it around and bring it up through the wrap and tighten it by pulling on it. Repeat the same process until all the ingredients have been used. The first way to cook the lau lau is through the Instant Pot. With some water at the bottom, place the wire rack at the bottom, then fit in the lau lau. Close it, select the steam option, and cook it for 45 minutes. Release the steam when it's POW cooking. Remove the lau lau from the Instant Pot and unwrap the leaf. The lau lau is ready to eat. The other way to cook the lau lau is by steaming it. Fill a pot with water and bring it to a boil. Add the lau lau to the steamer baskets. Cover it with the lid and place it on the top of the boiling water. And let it cook for 8 hours. When it is POW cooking, carefully remove the lid and the lau lau. Unwrap the tea leaf and dig into this delicious lau lau. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any upcoming recipes. Please support my sister by hitting that like button. Mahalo.